Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Kayu Jati Street on November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Kayu Jati Street. And now we are in Kayu Aya Street. I update this area on Kayu Aya Street because it's very famous street in Seminyak. Because in this area there is a lot of hotels, restaurant, and also in this area we have very famous night bar we call Red Carpet and Lava Vela. Red Carpet bar right side and Lava Vela night bar left side, and beside Lava Vela there is a restaurant very famous we call Bistro restaurant. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. So far we see together there is some shop still closed in this area, but yeah, some shop also open. You see the weather today? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear and very hot today. And usually in this area before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walking on the sidewalk. There is a lot because in this area nearby the central of Seminyak. And in central Seminyak there is big shopping mall we call Seminyak Village and Seminyak Square. And also we have art market there. And also at the end of this video I will explore Kayu Jati Street. But before we continue driving to the Kayu Jati Street, please, if you don't mind, subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Okay guys, actually in this video I make video around 9 minutes without skip, because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Seminyak area on November 2021. But actually I just gonna say it look like the same as last month on October. Today Seminyak still look quiet. Okay guys, now we are nearby central Seminyak, and usually in this area is more busier. You can see in the left side there is a lot of car parking. Yeah, but it's very quiet because there is no one walk around on the sidewalk. And you see at the front there is Seminyak Square, and usually in this area is very busy people, but today you see it's very quiet, isn't it? But I'm really happy because Bali is starting busy and busy, and there is a lot of taxi starting operation again. It's a bit crowded around here because this is like a central of Seminyak. And if you see on the left side, there is big shopping mall we call Seminyak Village. And at the right side, there is restaurant very famous we call Field. Yeah, and some people there. Okay guys, from Kayu Aya Street, we turn left to explore Kayu Jati Street. If I turn right, there is the way to go to the villa area in Seminyak. But today, we will explore Kayu Jati Street because I already explored Seminyak Villas area in last month. Okay guys, now we are in Kayu Jati Street. And usually in this area also there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because from this area is nearby the central of Seminyak. And also in this area there is a lot of hotels, but not so many shops actually. So that's why there is a lot of people walk around to go to central of Seminyak. But again, today is very empty, isn't it? There is look like no people there. It's very quiet. And if you see big building left side, there is a villa we call B Villa Seaside in Seminyak. But it's look very quiet. And also on the right side, there is famous restaurant we call Kedewatan Restaurant, Indonesian food. And also this street is very famous because there is one night bar we call Mexicola. But during the pandemic corona, Mexicola is still quiet. Hotel right side look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking there. That's really good. And left side there is Bodywork Spa. But yeah, for sure still quiet. And also in the right side there is Mexicola. Usually Mexicola in this area always busy in the night time. But I will explore this area in Mexicola when they are open and busy people. Okay guys, if I straight down, there is the way to go to Petit Tengah Street. But we turn left because we will explore back to the Kayu Aya Street. Now we are in Kayu Aya Street. You see left side, that is we call Sea Circus. It's very famous for domestic tourism. You can see left side, there is some people making photo for their Instagram. And right side, there is a lot motorbike parking. You see left side? Also this very famous restaurant. If you see in the right side, there is a big hotel because there is a hotel connecting by the beach. Samaya Resort, right side. And also in Samaya Resort, there is like a bar just beside the beach. It's very good to enjoy sunset right there. And at the front, there is the Seminyak Resort. Oh, some tourists there. Yeah, I'm really happy to see that. Also, the Seminyak Resort, there is bar beside the beach and swimming pool. It's very beautiful. It's very big resort, isn't it? And also, beside Samaya Resort, there is one restaurant very famous we call Lala Chuela. But during the pandemic corona, I think they closed. Right side, the Seminyak Resort, and left side there is some shop, and also there is a lot of villa behind this building. Okay, we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. You see to the right side, there is the entrance to go to Kudeta nightclub. Always busy in the night time, but not sure during the pandemic corona. And the right side, there is Oberoi, the Oberoi hotels, also very famous. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. And in this area, there is art market on the right side. Usually very busy during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, now we are nearby central of Seminyak. There is domestic tourism right side on the sidewalk. That is good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Kayu Jati Street. So if you don't mind, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.